Good morning. Is this seat available?
Yes, please have a seat.
Thank you. It's a lovely coffee shop.
I come here almost every morning.
What would you like to order?
I'm thinking about a cappuccino.
That's a good choice.
I've heard their coffee is excellent.
Do you come here often?
Yes, it's my favorite place to relax.
Are you waiting for someone?
No, I'm just enjoying some quiet time.
Have you tried the chocolate cake?
Not yet. Is it good?
It's delicious. You should try a slice.
Thanks for the recommendation.
What do you usually drink here?
I usually order a latte.
Do you like coffee or tea?
I prefer coffee in the morning.
Would you like to order together?
Sure, that sounds nice.
Excuse me, could we see the menu?
Of course. Here it is.
What are you planning to do today?
I have a few meetings this afternoon.
Do you work nearby?
Yes, my office is just around the corner.
This cafe has a relaxing atmosphere.
I agree. It's very peaceful.
Would you like another cup of coffee?
No, 1 cup is enough for me.
How is your cappuccino?
It's rich and tastes amazing.
The service here is excellent.
Yes, the staff are very friendly.
It was nice talking with you.
I enjoyed our conversation too.
Have a wonderful day.
Thank you. You have a great day too.